Okay, this is where pizza meets an egg roll. Let's make these pizza egg rolls. All you're gonna need is some egg roll wrappers, some string cheese, I'm using mozzarella, and then some pepperoni or your choice of toppings, and that is it. And of course we're gonna put some marinara on the side, but you choose to make that however you want to. Let's go. Okay, we have our wrapper, we have our string cheese unwrapped, and we have our toppings. I'm using pepperoni. So what we're gonna do is throw some pepperoni down like so. I like it very full, so as much as you can withstand. That's about it. You throw the mozzarella on and you wrap it one time like so. Fold these corners in. You're going to keep folding the corners in like so. Let me let y'all see. And at this point, we're going to go ahead and just roll up the rest of the egg roll. Nice and tight. So you see how I have that open just a little bit. What I'm going to do is throw some more water on it, and I'm going to tuck it. Egg rolls do not have to be perfect. Tucking it just like that. I'm going to look at the other side. The other side is pretty good, but I want to make sure that it stays like that. So here you go. I have one. So I'm going to do another one for you. Pepperoni. Pepperoni, pepperoni, pepperoni. Pepperoni, 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 and cheese. Boom. So again, just toss it over like so. You're gonna bring the edges in like so. Just bring them in. Like I said, it does not have to be neat. So you're gonna roll it just a little bit. And we're taking some water to seal it. A lot of people use an egg wash. That really does the same thing as water. So I'm not going to take those extra steps just to use the egg wash. Not for this recipe at all. Some recipes you want to do so. Others you don't have to. So here you go. Again, I'm going to tuck this and just pinch it a little bit. There we go. So I'm only making 4. Let me do 2 more and we'll be good to go. Okay, we have our egg rolls all rolled up. We are going to go ahead and fry them in the pan over here. We have our grease heating up, and they should take about 2 minutes on each side. So let's get it in. Our grease is hot and ready. Let's go. These cook so fast. I only can do 3 right now because you don't want to crowd your pan. So let's let these cook up, and I'll show you to the consistency that we want it to be at. Okay, this is the color that you're looking for on your egg rolls. So these are done. We're going to remove them from the heat. We're going to baste them with some garlic butter and a little bit of Parmesan, and we're going to go ahead and dip these babies. So our egg rolls are complete. I have melted some garlic butter. What I'm going to do is just take that with my basting brush, and I'm just going to put that all on top of the pizza egg rolls. They're kind of a mix between marinara sticks and pizza, and then just a regular egg roll. That's the good thing about it. So after I put the garlic butter on, I am now going to sprinkle a little pizza magic on top. I rave about this stuff all the time. There we go. And we are all done, so let's go ahead and get this plated up, and I will be back soon. Okay, we have it plated up, and I paired it with some marinara sauce. This recipe is so good. If you just need a 5-minute recipe while you're cooking your Thanksgiving meal just to give to your kids, this is the way to go. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you try this recipe, make sure you comment down below on how tasty it was. Goodbye.